Hello everyone! Today we are here with a new hike. I am your host, Danish, and I kindly request you all to like our channel, subscribe to our channel, and if you enjoy this video, please share your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to share this video as much as possible. Today we are in one of the most beautiful areas of Germany, a place called Berchtesgaden. Today's hike is in this city, and here we are going to visit a very famous and historical point, a place connected with history called the Eagle's Nest, also known as Kehlsteinhaus. Its history goes back many years, to the time of the Second World War, and is connected with the era of Adolf Hitler. So, let's begin our hike. We are starting our hike from the parking area below Kehlsteinhaus. Today's hike has an elevation gain of 920 meters, and the final height of the mountain is around 1,881 meters. The total distance both ways is 10.4 kilometers, and the difficulty level is quite easy. Almost anyone can do it comfortably. There are two routes to reach the top, one along the road and the other through the forest. The overall difficulty is T2 level, which is considered normal and suitable for most hikers. You can also take a bus to go up, as this is a very popular visitor point, and from there, you can use the lift to reach the top. Now, let's take you along with us. We are starting through the forest trail and heading upwards. This area belongs to the beautiful mountainous region of Berchtesgaden. The building is located at an irtifa of around 1,834 meters above sea level, and is famous worldwide for its stunning views and historical importance. As you can see, we are walking through a snow-covered forest. The path is quite easy, but the snow makes it slightly challenging. In winter, the views are completely different, and in summer, they change entirely. Every season offers a unique experience here. From here, you can also see the beautiful Königssee Lake, which is one of the deepest and most beautiful lakes in Germany. You can also see the surrounding high mountains, and as we go higher, the views become even clearer. Now we have reached a point where the path becomes a bit steep. We are taking short breaks and slowly continuing through the snow.
Kiss me hard before you go. Summertime sadness. I just wanted you to know that baby you're the best. I got my red dress on tonight, dancing in the dark in the pale moonlight. Got my hair up real big, beauty queen style.
After about 1 hour and 40 minutes, we have reached the parking area. If you come by bus, it only takes around 10 minutes. During winter, this place remains closed, and it usually reopens in May.
Sizzling like a snare, honey, I'm on fire. I feel it everywhere. Nothing scares me anymore. Kiss me hard before you go. Summertime sadness. I just wanted you to know that baby you're the best. I got that summertime sadness.
Now we are walking further up. The weather is quite cloudy, so the view is not very clear, but the place is still incredibly beautiful.
I'm feeling electric tonight, cruising down the coast, going about 99. Got my bad baby by my heavenly side. I know if I go, I'll die happy tonight. Oh my God, I feel it in the air. Telephone wire above us, sizzling like a snare. Honey, I'm on fire. I feel it everywhere. Nothing scares me anymore. Kiss me hard before you go. Summertime sadness. I just wanted you to know that baby you're the best. I got that summertime sadness. Got that summertime sadness. Oh, oh, think I'll miss you forever. Like the stars miss the sun in the morning skies. Later's better than ever. Even if you're gone, I'm gonna drive. I got that summertime sadness. Got that summertime sadness. Oh, 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 oh. Kiss me hard before you go. Summertime sadness. I just wanted you to know that baby you're the best. I got that summertime sadness. Got that summertime.
And now, we have reached the Eagle's Nest. This building was constructed in 1938, on the occasion of Adolf Hitler's 50th birthday. The project was supervised by Martin Bormann. A special road and a famous golden elevator were built, which goes through the mountain, and is still a major attraction today. Interestingly, Hitler himself visited this place very rarely, as he did not like heights or isolation. After the Second World War, this building remained safe and was not destroyed. Today, it is one of the most famous tourist destinations, visited by thousands of people every year. There is also a restaurant here, where you can enjoy breathtaking mountain views. This place is a perfect combination of history and natural beauty. If you enjoy hiking or want to explore both nature and history, then this place is definitely worth visiting. You can also come here with your family, either by bus or by hiking. Both offer a wonderful experience.
After spending quite a long time at the top, the weather still did not improve. The cold was gradually increasing, and it would take us around 1 hour and 10 minutes to get back down. As you know, during winter, it gets dark very quickly, especially in the mountains. So we decided to slowly start heading back down. We took the same route that we used while climbing up and carefully made our way downhill. There were still many clouds at the top, but the lower area had become much clearer. Come along with us as we head down and enjoy the beautiful views along the way back to the parking area. At this moment, we have reached our parking area. As you saw during the journey back, the different sections of the trail offered some truly beautiful views. The scenery around Watzmann, with clouds gathered around the mountains, looked absolutely stunning. It was a completely different and magical atmosphere. At the same time, Hochkalter was looking very clear, without many clouds around it. We returned using the same trail we had taken earlier, and it took us around 1 hour and 10 minutes to come back down. Thankfully, we did not face any major difficulties during the descent. So, this was our tour for today. I hope you enjoyed this vlog and got to experience this amazing winter trail with us, especially during the snowy conditions. If you visit this track during normal weather conditions, it becomes even easier and more comfortable to hike. That was today's vlog. I hope you enjoyed watching it and learned about the details of this beautiful track. Please like and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments. We will meet again very soon in our next video. Until then, take care of yourselves. Goodbye.